Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Learn Hunter. I'm Irv with you. So in this video tutorial today, I'll show you that how you can add a pricing table to your WordPress website. So I'm just simply going back to my WordPress dashboard. You can see that I have already logged in here. Okay, and from here, you will have to add a new plugin. So for doing that, simply click on plugins, and from plugins, we have to add a new plugin. Then click on here, add new. Okay, and from here search for a responsive responsive pricing table. Okay, simply search for this responsive pricing table, and from here install this plugin here. Okay, this one by WP Durko. Okay, and you can see that this plugin already have more than 20,000 plus active installation and also have 71 4.5 ratings, and this plugin has updated almost 4 days ago, and it's compatible with our latest WordPress installation. Okay, so simply click on install now. Okay, and after that click on activate, and from here we are going to activate this. Okay, and after that you'll get a new option in your WordPress dashboard like this. Okay, simply click on that pricing table, and for adding a new pricing table, click on add new, and let's enter a title. So I'm just simply entering a title here, suppose our menu pricing. Okay, and after that let's just add some pricing plan. For adding some pricing plan, click on add pricing, and then give the pricing plan name. So first of all, let's add breakfast. Okay, you can add anything you want. I'm just adding a breakfast for showing you. Okay, it's this is just for educational purposes. Okay, and after that enter your subtitle, best breakfast. Okay, and you can also add a description here, and you can add a price here. Let's enter $9. Okay, you can also add the period per days. Let's enter day. Okay, and you can add features. Let's add something like rotate, and let's add another feature here. For adding multiple features, simply click on add feature again, and egg, and then click on add feature, oil. Okay, and then add some other features. I'm just giving here a dash. Okay, I'm keeping this blank. You can add your own features here. Okay, and enter your button text here. I'll simply type here buy now. Okay, and after that simply click on publish, and then let's go and copy this shortcode from the right side here. You'll be able to see the shortcode exactly right here. Okay, and let's create a new page, and for creating a new page, hover over on pages, and from here click on add new. Okay, and then simply add the page title here, our pricing. Okay, and enter the shortcode here. Okay, that we have copied from our pricing table plugin options. Okay, and then click on publish. And let's view our page. Click on view page. So you can see that our pricing table looks like this right now. So let's add two other pricing table. So simply add one for lunch and the other one for dinner. Okay, so for doing that, simply scroll down below, and from here click on add pricing again, and then give the pricing title lunch. Maybe my spelling is mistake. Okay, and then enter the price. You can add this you can add the short description and subtitle here. Okay, I'm giving a subtitle rice for Heading, and then let's enter price here, $12 and per day. Okay, button text buy now. All right, and let's add other one for our dinner with my girlfriend. I'm just simply entering here GF. Okay. And let's enter the price, $15 per day. You can enter a description. Let's enter the button text from here and click on and scroll to up and click on update. Okay, and after that simply click on reload. You can see that it looks like this right now. We don't have add any features for these two options right here. That's why it's looking like this. So let's go and add some features in our lunch and breakfast. So simply click on here and then rice, and then add meat, and then add vegetable, and then add some dash, etc. And let's add some features for here. Egg. Okay, just enter some dashes because I'm showing you this for just educational purposes. That's why I'm not entering any features here. Okay, and simply click on update, and then come back to your front end, to your pricing page, and click on reload. And after that you can see your options right here. Okay, it looks really great. You can change the button color if you want. So if I simply scroll down below, you can see that we have a styling option. You can highlight the pricing plan. I'm just going to highlight the lunch pricing plans. So for doing that, simply come here and click on enable, and let's add a button color from here. So simply select the color from here, which one you like. Okay, and then simply click on update. Okay, and let's reload this, and you can see that this is looking really great. So that's how easy it is to add a pricing table to your WordPress website. That's all for today. I hope that you like this video. So if you really like our video, then please hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you face any problem, then comment down below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.